Welcome back. So in the last video, we had gotten the old motor out and torn apart, and the new motor torn apart, cleaned up, and ready to be reassembled. I forgot to hit record on the camera before getting today started, so let's just jump right into it.
I've been watching you with dark eyes every night, counting up your sins. I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been, I smell the sin, and you're looking nice. You can't bury me. You don't love a night. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side, but I'll leave you with the shudder. I got goals you don't wanna know. I got goals you don't wanna grow. Trying to forget I'm in your head, shatter up your spine. Try not to choke, a funny joke when you say you're mine. Lost your control, think you're alone, I'm still in your mind. You can't bury me. You don't love a night. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side, but I'll leave you with the shudder. With the shudder. I got goals you don't wanna know. I got goals you don't wanna grow. With the shudder. I got goals you don't wanna know. I got goals you don't wanna grow. I got goals you don't wanna know. Something about you feels so different. Yeah, you mess me up inside. It's like your energy was kissing my soul back to life, was living. Now it feels like every part of me is dying. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't fight my way out. Lost all dimension and time. All alone, you're losing my mind. And this goes down. And this goes down. Every message that I send you, you just leave them all on red.
Alright, so I got the new cam installed in the block-off camera. It's timed. Got the cylinder heads cleaned up and setting on the block temporarily. I also painted the block. So here is the repair for the crack. I'd say it came out pretty good. I bought a tap and die set. I've been going through and tapping every bolt hole after this broke because it was packed full of rust. So I've just been cleaning everything out. Got a lot of rust out of this hole, And there was one over here I had a problem with too. I think it was that bottom corner. Just to make it a lot easier when everything goes back together, and make it a lot easier to get the correct torque specs and everything. Next, what is next? Next. I need to take these apart, fill them full of washers, and I need to check my piston to valve clearance. So I got some modeling clay. We'll smash that up on top of the cylinder, or on top of the pistons. Bolt the heads down with head gaskets. Probably around 20 foot-pounds. Not enough to smash the gaskets, but enough to hold it down. And make sure I don't have a fitment issue, because that would absolutely be terrible. Go to start the engine and bang bang, 8 cylinders have bent valves. Yeah, so that's next. Well, here we go again. I forgot to record my outro. Video's getting a little long, so I'm going to cut it here. See you guys tomorrow.